Scientists just came out stating pasta makes everyone feel better. This is a fact, my friends. So today, I'm gonna show you a fun pasta dish.
Fact.
It's a creamy Cajun sausage and chicken pasta. It's a terrible name.
Science, I don't know. I'm stuck
Creamy
on your
chicken
first line.
penne. Creamy Cajun chicken penne.
Chicken.
I'm
andouille.
CJ, this is CJ's first cooking show. Grab something to sip on. It's
Hey,
interactive
hey.
television and cooking. Every time the bell rings, you take
An
a
angel
sip.
gets its wings. It's past Christmas. Is it ever?
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
To start this delightful Cajun creamy pasta-y recipe
guarantee.
off to the races with, you gotta have some olive oil and some boneless, skinless chicken thighs.
More often than not, find myself using boneless, skinless chicken thighs.
Because they are so juicy.
Yeah,
They have amazing flavor.
they're just better.
They're just better. So you're gonna want to get some olive oil and coat these guys and season appropriately.
Generously.
Generously. Now behind me, my Blackstone has been warming up. Well, we need a little bit more olive oil.
Do
Has
you
been
now?
warming up on medium high. And yeah, we're gonna go down with our chicken here.
All the way down.
All the way
Down, so.
Now, if you've never cooked with boneless, skinless chicken thighs, this will change the chicken game for you because it is so incredibly delicious.
Sending in
quite
air
a-
support. Sending in air support.
We've got some green and red bell peppers. We're gonna get to slicing.
Taking it
now,
Lloyd.
you're gonna definitely.
Lloyd Christmas.
That it's important. You can honestly, you could dice these up, chop these up as big or small as you want. I like to make it so that you can get a piece of chicken, sausage, and peppers all on one fork, along with a little bit of noodles and creamy deliciousness.
Yeah.
Most important thing is though, just get rid of the seeds and the pith. Honestly, then go whatever size that you want. Also, I've got this Johnsonville andouille smoked sausage.
Big fan of andouille, bro.
Huge fan.
Lot of flavor.
Bruce Mitchell.
He's made of andouille.
Dude, that guy, he's like, you know how they say your body's 70% water?
He's alligator.
He's 70% andouille,
Maybe.
30% gator.
Probably.
Yes. So we're gonna let the chicken keep cooking. Here in a little bit, we'll come back and throw the bell peppers and then the sausage on.
Easy peasy.
Lemon squeeze.
Unacceptable!
Chicken sounds and smells done. Dude, look at that awesome
How does chicken
crust.
sound when it's done?
Baka.
Oh man, I thought you were gonna say like this.
Well, I could have said that. It would have probably been more.
Because is good though.
What are you talking about?
We're gonna also go back to the griddle
Okay.
with the sausage in all this fat and seasoning right here.
Okay.
We're gonna start letting the andouille cook down.
It's
a
your
little bit.
boy chicken fat.
Your boy chicken fat.
Yeah.
Is that okay? That's
Yeah,
the thing apparently.
chicken fat.
Toss no mas here.
Beauty.
Here from New Mexico. Anybody?
Toss no mas.
Yeah.
What does toss no mas mean?
Toss no more. Like.
Oh.
It was like like recycling sort of thing.
Toss
Like
no
don't
mas.
toss your plastic and all that. Yeah.
Loser.
What you toss adds up. Toss no mas. Don't trash New Mexico.
I wasn't really a big fan of it. Okay. So.
Wow, CJ, you don't like the environment?
Nope.
I love the environment. If I could, I would grab the cute little environment and tie a sweet little knot around its cute neck and make a bow out of
Wow.
Speaking of not, hey CJ, did you know?
Wow.
That transition was not good.
Oh!
Do you know who the drummer is for this band?
Didn't happen.
I did know, but he's
What's his
gone.
name? Yeah, well, you stole my, that was the fact.
Stole my line.
Not, dude.
Well, yeah, Jay Weinberg is no longer the drummer.
Jeez, so
I wish we
rude,
could have
CJ.
taken all of that back.
Andy's failed slow clap was better.
Who's Andy?
I mean, Alan
Aardvark.
Austin.
Powers.
Swear
Now while your sausage and peppers are cooking down, getting some delicious caramelization going on, we're gonna cut up our boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Definitely go on the smaller side of things. Actually, go about the same size as the bell peppers and the sausage. That way they all can get on one fork at the same time, if you are so bold, as I am.
So bold.
And let's reintroduce those back to the bell peppers and the sausage. You're starting to see the caramelization on the sausage.
It's starting to look beautiful.
That
dude.
is what I'm talking about. Also at this point, we're gonna add some minced garlic. Do it, from the jar. It's quick, it's easy. Also got some
You do you, boo.
You do you. I got some sun-dried tomatoes. Be sure to get down with that
those
oil as
smell
well.
unbelievable,
Dude, this
bro.
is really gonna pop big time on the flavor game. Mix all that up. Add a little bit of butter as well. That's gonna make it nice and glossy. And then
Getting
just
glossy and saucy.
getting glossy and saucy. A couple more things, dude, and we're about done. Got some fresh baby spinach.
Spinach.
Spinach cooks down, so be generous. Then,
Aren't we lucky we were there to get all that information? It seemed extraneous at the time.
we've got some al dente penne here.
Alan Dente.
Al dente.
Yeah, I'm confused about that.
We got some heavy whipping cream. Now, dude, I don't really love like creamy recipes that often.
Packed real
Right,
close
right,
together.
right.
There's still a lot of room to work with.
What?
I'm more of like a.
Especially when it comes to pasta.
I'm more of like
Dude,
a.
if you had some cheese to go with the cream,
Oh,
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah,
look at
it'd be awesome.
that. Yeah, wow. Look at that. Gonna add some parm and a little bit more parm.
Yeah, dude.
Season with some more Bayou blend.
So we're making Cajun pasta.
Yeah, I think that's what I said at the
Is that what
beginning,
you called
didn't I? Isn't that what I
I
said at
think
the
we're still
beginning?
debating.
Dude.
This is gorge.
Yes, it is. Okay, I think actually it's time to plate because I don't want those that spinach to get like real wilty and dead. But
Wilty and dead.
nice and wilty.
Mostly dead.
Mostly dead. Really, that's actually totally
You want it mostly dead.
mostly dead,
He's slightly alive.
but still
totally dead.
Not totally dead though. Okay, here we go, boys. Let's plate it up.
Like the king's stinking son.
Liar!
Dude, that's all I got in my head now.
Dude, you did the liar really, really
Yeah,
great.
Thank you.
Get back, witch!
I'm not a witch, I'm your wife! Alright, Princess
we go.
Bride quotes the rest
There we
of the
go.
episode.
I think one more. How about one more load?
Una mas.
Uno mas. Toss no mas.
Toss. No mas.
All right, let's get that off to the side.
Cheese cape.
Cheese cape.
Yes, it's super pasta.
I
Superman cape.
agree with you. And then to finish this off, we're gonna do just a little bit
Oh yeah.
more parm across the top.
Oh yeah.
And for the color and pop of flavor, just a little bit of the Bayou blend.
Dang, son.
There it is, buddy.
Take it easy, Bruce Mitchell.
Okay, I will.
You will. That's a good Bruce.
Thanks, sir. Dude, I gotta say, I had never made this before, and it
As
turned out beautiful.
You know why? You know why, dude?
Why?
Because you're a good cook.
Wanna hug it out?
Yeah. Oh, you listened to
No,
me.
darn it. That's right. Here we go. Let's see how I did. I was worried I needed more seasoning.
Nope. Nah, dude.
Oh, dang. Double up on the sun-dried tomatoes. Because I just got one,
That was the magic.
and that's a winner. Dude,
It's beautiful. You could have gone heavier on the cream.
yeah.
More saucy.
Little more saucy, but make sure you season as you go like I was
Yep.
doing. Actually, I didn't season the bell peppers because they were with the sausage, but there was a lot of flavor with the sausage.
Yeah. I'm a
Let me
fan
know
of
how I
this.
did.
I'm a fan of that.
Let me know how I did in the comments down below, folks. This one is a winner. Ethan is excited about this one. I got you, boo.
You didn't look excited.
He's not my boyfriend. Might be a bit warm, the cooler's off. Thanks, babe.
Speaking of comments, it's officially time for CJ's favorite comments.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
This is the segment of the show, my friends, where we screenshot comments from you, the viewers. Because if you write it,
We read it.
that is exactly right.
From
I
friends
see
and
everyone.
non-friends.
That's
There's-
right.
there's
We
some
leave
non-friends in the
no
group.
comment stone unturned.
True. This is true.
So here we go. Starting from the top in no particular order. This one comes in from CTech14
C-Tech.
367. This is an interesting one. This was on my cowboy stir fry, which was a year ago, which I've got a new recipe I'm going to do for you guys. You're going to love that one. It says, "You ain't no cowboy, jackwagon." So what? I have to be a cowboy to eat cowboy stir fry?
Apparently, Jack Wagon.
Do I have to be like from Mexico to eat tacos?
Apparently.
What about like Thai food? Do I have to be Thai?
It's a shaggin' wagon.
That's exactly right. Well, hey, C-Tech. No, I ain't no cowboy, Jack Wagon.
This is an A and B conversation, so you can
See
C-Tech your way out.
C-Tech. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
That would have been better if it had beef in it, though, for being honest.
Okay, this is actually pretty funny. This is from Rick and Darcy Adventures.
Hey, Rick and Darcy.
Yep, they've commented a few times before. They said, call us old, but half the time we don't know what or who Ethan is talking about on the Hey CJ Did You Know part. It doesn't matter.
I don't really think he knows what he's talking about.
Yeah, it kind of still feels like he's trying to
It's like I
figure
never
out
know
if
what
he
he and
knows.
Alan are actually doing on set.
Yeah. Hey, Aardvark, what's going on back there?
Not much. We're just hanging out.
Yeah,
up,
they're just chilling. So, hey, Rick and Darcy.
Hey. You're not too old to enjoy this gold.
And there is no tool.
In this pool, and I'd happily get out if you let me join your crew.
Yep, that was the line.
Okay, I think this is from Joe Green, and he
Hey, Joe Green.
has established our new slogan. So it used to be where we cook and we quote.
Right?
Right? No. So Joe Green says, great video, just too many cutaways and bad comedy.
Wait, so good video.
So this is CJ's first cooking show. Too many cutaways and bad comedy.
But he liked it?
I don't think so.
Oh.
Joe Dirte. Nah, dude. Sorry.
Somebody help me! Help me!
Okay. This is from
You right?
Pat Guide Org.
Bless you.
Gesundheit. This person says, 18 minutes to make a sandwich. Don't start a business, mate. Ridiculous.
It took you 18 minutes to say this person's name.
Yeah, that's right. You
What's his
Patty
name again?
Wagon Baby Whiner. That's what that
Stands for!
It didn't take me 18 minutes to make the sandwich. Probably took me 10 to 12, and then we had other shenanigans.
We bantered.
So, thanks for nothing, Patty Wagon.
Give a dog a bone, sir.
All right.
All right.
We've got a special moment here.
All right.
So in one of my last videos, I made what I thought was the perfect sandwich.
Oh, yeah.
And we had a lot of comments agreeing with me. There was a lot that disagreed that it was great, but it was missing one thing. I'll let you decide which one it is. So this one comes in from,
It's
we're
a
just going to
guessing
go
game?
fast.
What was CJ's sandwich missing? Let's hear from the crowd.
Matt says, no cheese. So, I wonder what they're thinking. Roy says, what? No cheese? Chris says, dude, cheese, please. This is a different one, though. This Phil Martinez, nice job, but you forgot the cheese. Okay. Nope,
so
that's
no.
not it. Pat Frat, no cheese equals bad. No Pantera equal good.
Oh.
Ocean big, turtle small. This person says it was nice of you to... Segue, sorry. Say Kelly says it was nice of you to invite Silent Bob to the set. I'll let you guys.
Silent Bob?
I'll let you guys decide who that was. Running yolk and some grated sharp cheddar. 86 the sausage, double up the bacon and add cheese. Needs a slice of cheese. An extra sharp cheddar slice of cheese for me. No cheese. So it's a perfect sandwich. Just add cheese next time.
Too many cutaways, bad jokes, not enough cheese.
That's it. Cheese. We'll go somewhere where there's cheese.
I do appreciate you guys hanging out. Try this one. This
good.
was a delicious,
good.
delicious pasta. Ethan was a huge fan of it. Silent Bob, he didn't really say much, but he was eating, so I assume that's pretty good. But also be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com, go to griddlenation.com to get some sweaters, hoodies,
Sweater vest?
pull over. Actually,
It's a cardigan.
thanks for noticing.
Killer boots, man!
But I think that's it. If you want to put something on the OG board, let me know. We'll get it up there. I'll send you an address where you can do that. But in the meantime, remember, this is now CJ's first cooking show. Where,
Go for it.
Andy, how's it go?
Too many cutaways.
Too many cutaways.
Bad comedy.
Bad
We
comedy.
cook and we quote. Not enough cheese.
Jay, Silent Bob does actually talk.
You know, there's a million fine-looking women in the world, dude, but they don't...
Not at all. We got a bus to catch.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first